What's up, guys? Hope you are good. I am as well. Music M here, so just bought a few items from Take a Lot that I want to unbox in front of you guys. I just bought a few things I want to unbox in front of you guys, but later on I will be doing reviews of all these three things that I bought. Like I said, I bought all these things from takealot.com, right? Which is like South African's version of Amazon, I guess. It's where you can go online, buy whatever you need. Actually, I've done a review on Take a Lot before, so if you want to know what it is, just go to my previous videos. I will also post a link on this video below. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm not sure which box I should start with. Let's do the smallest. Let's do the smallest first. So you see, I did pay for priority. Actually, I'm lying. You usually pay for priority, but in my case, it was free because of the sale that was going on. As you can see here, this was on, this item I got on 5% sale discount. So yeah, let's see what it is. Well, I should know what it is, except I'm not sure which one is which on this boxes, so I'll keep it a surprise just for you guys. So yeah, let's see here. Okay, bear with me. I'll try to read through this box. Yeah, fuck this box. Okay, and first one is the smart TV box. So I do have a smart TV, however I think it's a little bit outdated. The YouTube freezes a lot. It plays, and when it goes onto an ad and the video is supposed to play back again, except mine doesn't, it then just pauses, and it also doesn't have Showmax. So I decided to buy a smart TV box. I will still review it for you guys, just to let you know this particular one, this particular brand, how it works, if it's been working, if it's disappointing, etc, etc. So yeah, the first one is a smart TV box. Let's move on to the second one. So this one, as you can see, there's a massive sale happening at Take a Lot. So this one I got for 45% discount, free priority. So I literally ordered all these items around 10 p.m. last night, and I got an email around 3 p.m. following day, which is today, that my things were ready for collection. So yeah, that's how fast it was. You have options of either having your stuff delivered to you, or the option of going to collect them at certain pickup points that Take a Lot has, and there's one very close by to my house, so I always prefer to collect because it takes away the pressure of having to wait for the delivery guy. I can go at my own time and just collect it. So yeah, let's unwrap this box. And this is the one that I've been excited the most about. This is a drone. It looks very small. I've never owned a drone before, so I'm yet to practice how to fly it around. But yeah, I will give you feedback as well on this one. So yeah, so you see it. It's the drone, the AB-F710 Shuttle UAV. By Aerbes. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah, so this is a 4K drone. That's the second thing that I bought. Last but not least, so now I know which one this one is. I was kind of hoping this was the drone because in my mind it was nice and big, but yeah, I'll see what I do with this one. This is my first drone, so if I get comfortable with this very cheap one that I just bought, then maybe I'll invest more money in a proper drone, because I love taking content and I want to improve my videos with you guys. So yeah, last but not least is cordless vacuum. So I need this for around the house. I'm always leaving breadcrumbs around, and I have a problem with ants, and yeah, so this is very handy. It's always inconveniencing to pull out the big vacuum that needs me to plug it on the wall just for, you know, some small like breadcrumbs or something, if I'm having breakfast. So yeah, I decided to buy one of this. I will also review it. Okay, so it's the total of these 3 things that I got from Takealot: TV box, camera drone, and a vacuum. So yeah, please subscribe, like, and share, and I will be posting videos soon reviewing all of them. Music M, peace. The second thing that I have that I bought is this vacuum, this cordless vacuum. Clean as you can see it on the picture. This is how it's supposed to look. It's the Black+Decker Dust Buster 3.6V lithium 5.4 WH. So yeah, this is the box. It's supposed to come with, let me see if they put it anywhere on the box. But yeah, it's supposed to come with a charger, and I know some cleaning brushes that you attach to it. But let's go ahead and open it. Okay, I need to cut off the sellotape. And I'm almost in, guys. I'm almost in, and I'm not sure. Okay, I am in. Let's see that. So yeah, the box is compactalized, as you can see. On this side, this is what came out. This looks like, okay, this is definitely the charging port. So I guess you sit and you charge, and you place it here while it charges. Then it just has a brush. Guess I'll be able to figure out what these 2 things are after I opened the actual thing. Ooh, let me not break my charger. Yeah. You know what? Let me just move this out the way. So this is it. This is the Hoover. Okay. Let me see if I can figure this out real quick. Goes in there, and okay. I'm just looking at the crumbs. It works. Definitely works. So this is the second thing that I got. Yeah, but I guess I'll give you feedback after a week on how well it works, if I'm happy with my purchase or not. So yeah, see you on the next one. What's up, guys? Music M here. Hope y'all good. I am too. So yeah, the first thing I'm gonna unbox right now, then I'll do a review of later on, is this Android TV box. As you can see, it plays my TV, Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and Google Play. You of course have to pay your subscriptions on these applications, as well as Showmax. So you can see inside, I'm expecting it to come with a cable for HD TV, a power adapter, and a voice remote. So it's a remote control that you can also command via your voice. Okay, so yeah, it seems very simple. So I'll go ahead and open it now. Okay, this is very small, by the way. So you can see. So this is the actual box. Wow, that is tinier. That is very tiny. This is very small than I thought. I mean, look at how small this thing is. Okay, first it fits in the palm of my hand. This is much smaller than I expected, but it has the power goes in here. It has AV, it has the HDMI plug-in, and it has 2 USB ports. Oh, this is very small. I'm still surprised I can't get over the size of this thing. That is very tiny. Inside there's the remote. Looks very clean. There's the power adapter, and there's the what is this, an HDMI? There's the HDMI, cord. So yeah, power adapter, HDMI, and remote control. And then I think this is a manual. Yeah, then there's this manual there to how to use it. The price for this was just under 600 Rand on Takealot. So yeah, I will be giving you a review of how it's working once I connect it on my TV. Peace. What's up, guys? Music M here. Hope you're good. I am too. Last but not least, the third item that I got from takealot.com was this drone, this very small drone. This is what I'm the most excited about reviewing. I will be reviewing it very soon, so I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys right now in case I don't get a chance to do it later. So it's supposed to be the drone, I think some cables and a remote control inside, and to view a live feed of the drone you're supposed to download an app on your phone. So I'm gonna do all that and test it out, and then I'll review it later on. So for now, let's unwrap this bastard. Okay. Okay, so there's a box within the box. As you can see, this one is plain white. I'm not sure if I should be concerned or what, but yeah. The big moment is here when I find out if I wasted my money or not. So this was very cheap, so I'm not expecting the drone to be like world class, right? This was under $1,000. This was actually 7. So yeah, just quickly unwrap this. So there's a manual on how to use it, I guess instructions on the app and so on and so on. And inside is the actual drone. Ooh, I wanna be super careful with this. that is very small. That is very small and light, and I'm guessing it's supposed to be light so you can properly fly. I think this is a battery, not entirely sure. Oh, this is the camera. It's the battery. I think it's the battery. Then there's the remote control, and then underneath I have some spare blades and the charging cable. So yeah, this is the drone. We'll be reviewing it soon as well, and I'll give you feedback and show you footage of the camera, if it's horrible, if it's good. And yeah, I guess we'll see later on. Use it. Peace.